Hey, everybody, all my cousins, my friends, my relatives, all of you out there that are looking for ways to invest in the markets. I'm going to entitle this video as the Yeah, But video, because this time of year, I'm running into so many people that over the last year, 2022, I said, I want to invest, but I don't have the time. Yeah, but I don't want to learn how to do it. Yeah, but I need money, but JoJo across the street said that he lost money and I shouldn't do it. You get so many yeah buts. It gets to the place where you just have to do it because money works for you 24/7. You'll kill yourself if you're trying to work 24/7. Now, this video is not going to be a long one. I'm going to show you in a short period of time, so please hang around until the end of the video because I'm going to share with you some stocks that I'm going to be looking at for next week, the week after next. The day is the 18th of December. So next Sunday is going to be Christmas. The week after that is going to be New Year's, and we're already into a new year. This is a perfect time for you guys to really seriously, if you're thinking about learning another way to make your life easier, simpler, but still have money coming in. As you know, my channel is devoted to making money now. It's not fast money necessarily, but it's money today. It's making money this week. It's making money next month. If you want long-term investments, of course, you can buy a stock and hold that stock for 5, 10, 20 years. That's okay. You can still hold some stocks for the long run. But if you want and need immediate money that you can put in your pocket for your rent, for vacations, for a new car, for emergencies, you're at the right place. So without further ado, let's go to a screen and let me show you what I'm looking at and we'll be doing. As you see, this chart right now is, you see where I'm pointing? That WK means it's a weekly chart again. Remember, I'm trying to tell you, yeah, butters, that you don't have to watch the computer every minute of every day. This is a weekly chart. And if you remember from my previous videos, that means that each one of these candles represents 1 week. This is 1 week, this is the next week, this is the next week, all the way up to this week, which ended December the 16th. So December 16th, here we are this week. So you really only have to look at your computer or your charts once a week over the weekend. And if you keep track of the same stocks week in and week out, it's just a matter of time before you're making money every day or every week and every month because you know what's coming. So this is a weekly chart. This week ended December 16th, and this is a weekly chart of KO. You see I'm pointing up here? KO is Coca-Cola. Now, what most new buyers and new investors do, they see these green candles. So they're buying, 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 buying. And they see a green candle that ended last week, and they're planning on buying some more and hoping that it goes up some more. But what I do, if I don't catch this right in here, which I did buy Coca-Cola a few weeks ago, when it was in this area, I bought it here and made money. If you're already up here, it's too late for me. And I'm trying to share this information with you guys. It's too late for me to consider buying it. I do not want to chase this market. But for most of you that don't realize this, of course you can make money as the market is also dropping by buying an option that you plan on. Is called a put option. And that option means that you're thinking and considering that the possibility of that stock dropping will happen. Just like over here to the left. Look at here. This is when it went up, and then sooner or later, it made a change and it started dropping. This was money to be made. So you can make money as it's dropping each week for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 or 8 weeks, you made money. Soon as it turns to green, you get out, take your profits, put your profits in your pocket, and now you're considering buying. So this would have been the time in here or in here to buy and ride it all the way up. Now it's at a point where it's changing. I'm only waiting to see a pink candle at this point. I'm waiting for something next week or the week after. We don't know when. And remember, this is only for educational purposes only. I'm not trying to tell you what to buy and when to buy and how to buy. I just want to show you what I'm doing. And if some of you follow suit, you'll see the same thing will work for you. We're going to wait until this candle, we see a pink candle. Now, it could go up higher, but I'm not going to buy it now. It's gone up too far for me to try to buy any more of this. I'm waiting for the opportunity for it to go down, just like it did here, just like it did over there. And as you see, markets always go up and down, up, then down, up, then down, sideways, down, up. It may go sideways, but I'm waiting for a drop. So this is a weekly candle. So I'm beginning Monday, December 19th. I'm going to see what happens. If it starts to turn pink, I'm going to consider buying for the ride back down. So let me show you. I have an alert. If it does go up, I just want to know that it's going up so I can follow it. If it does go down and turn pink and goes lower than this last week, I have an alert right here at 62.34. So if it hits 62.34 or lower, it's going to alert me and tell me that this may be a time for me to get in with an option to buy it to the downside, heading back down. That's where my money is going to be made. Now, I told you guys that I will show you a few other stocks that I'm looking at for next week or two that are doing similar things. And let me show you this now. Let me go to, so write these down so that if you don't even invest and you're not ready to invest yet, just write these down so you can take a look at what I'm looking at and you can see if it comes true. So here it is. This is NVDA, and that is NVIDIA. So as you can see, it went down, it's made the change, and it went back up. Now I'm waiting for it to pop back down. If you look to your left, this is what's called resistance. It's a little bit of resistance here. So this may or may not go back up. But I'm waiting for a change to see if it drops from here. Right now, NVIDIA is at 165.71. So if it goes lower, goes around 163 and starts dropping again, I'm going in with an option to make money as the market drops. You're not going to hear a lot about this on CNBC, Yahoo Finance. They don't teach this in schools. You have to learn this. And that's why I'm teaching you guys and showing you guys that money can be made whether or not the market is going down, like I'm showing you, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. The opportunity is there every week in different stocks. Let me just show you a couple of more. I promise you guys I'll be showing you a couple more. Let's look at Love. Now, Love is Southwest Airlines. Look how Southwest Airlines has dropped. Then it reversed. It went up a little bit. It's met with resistance right here. So I again have my alerts in place. If it goes up higher, I'll know and be alerted, and I'll keep taking a look at it. If it drops down from here, the candle has already turned pink. So if it goes lower than this particular candle come Monday or next week, I'm going to buy some options as it drops to make money. So I keep following all of these stocks on a weekly basis. You don't have to follow it every day. You don't have to follow it every week or every month. But if you just look at it once a week on the weekends, see what's happening, and you have the same set of stocks. Now you look over here to my left where I'm pointing. These are all the stocks that I have in place that I have alerts for. I watch these same stocks pretty much every week. So it may take me 35 minutes to 45 minutes to prepare, but nothing is going to work for you unless you prepare. So that's how we do it. I'm watching stocks, and I'll give you one more for you guys to watch for next week. And let's see what happens. CAT. Caterpillar. Caterpillar, look how it did. By watching it every week, you watch it as it drops. You can see where it changed. Here, you ride it up, make your money as it's going up. Then you still watch it, you take your profits. Now look, Caterpillar is starting to turn pink. If it makes another pink candle and starts to drop, just like it did over here, then I'm in for the profits and making potential money as it drops. This is not rocket science. It's not that difficult. Don't get scared away. Just watch what I'm showing you. Write down the ones, watch this video again, write down the ones that I have showed you so you can keep track and see what happens to these stocks within the next few weeks or so, or by the beginning of the year. So I want to thank all of you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please hit the bell notification so that every video that I bring out, and I will start sharing stocks with you guys so that I'm looking at for the upcoming week, so that you'll know if you're interested in trading or just watching just to see if I'm telling you guys the truth. I want you always to do your own research. Just see if what I'm saying is coming true. That way you'll be more and more comfortable with investing for yourself. So thanks again for watching. I want you guys to have a happy holiday season and a very prosperous new year.